I think what would happen now is private enterprises, private businesses, whether it's a bank or any other institution, doesn't even have to be a financial institution, but it has to be capable of holding custody of gold. It can then digitize, tokenize that gold, put it on a blockchain or other, form, and allow individuals to own those tokens and then transact in them on the internet instantaneously for a low cost. They can price goods and services in grams of gold. They can pay for and be paid in grams of gold, and gold can circulate easily around the globe as money, as a unit of account, as a medium of exchange, and as a store of value. And so I think we're headed in that direction. As far as what the Chinese may do, to the extent that they may decide that they want to back their currency by gold,